upgrading to the next level in sewing, and I got a projector to do my sewing patterns. I got tired of printing out all the pages and cutting it out. There's too many projector options. Went on TikTok. This girl actually won hers at like a work event. So this is only like $80. There was a $30 coupon. Felt like for the price, I did mine. It's from Amazon. So if it doesn't work, I'm just gonna return it. But mostly I just like it for its size. This is what the projector looks like. Look how cute it is. It's so lightweight, guys. This looks like all of the accessories. Q-tips, cloth, remote control. This is the power cord. This is the HDMI. This one is just, I don't know, this is something. I assume this is the focus button. But do you think I can just like command stick this to the ceiling? No, right? That's probably a bad idea because this will probably heat up and melt the adhesive. At the bottom of the projector is this whole thing, which is like an adapter. So you're able to actually screw it into any tripod. So I'm choosing this, which is something that can bend because it's going to need to be pointed straight at the floor. So it's going to be able to rotate the projector to point downwards. And all you have to do is just screw it in. And I actually don't even have a tripod. I'm going to be putting it on my ring light. Now my projector is mounted to this adapter. I put the adapter to my tripod now. What's nice about this is that I'm gonna be able to put it away and it's not gonna take up a lot of space. So once I have it mounted to my tripod, I'm gonna have it pointed towards the ground, and I'm gonna take that power cord and plug it into that projector and plug it into the power source. I'm gonna press that power button. It turns on pretty quickly. I'm gonna use the remote control. I'm gonna go first to option, and from the option we are going to go to the end with the 4 squares and select network information, because we have to connect it to our Wi-Fi. And once you have successfully connected to your Wi-Fi, back to the home screen, you can just hit the house button on your remote. You're going to select the MCAS, and you're going to go to AirPlay. It'll show you how to mirror it. I'm using my MacBook for this. And for your MacBook, if you go into system settings, I typed in mirroring on the search bar, and then I've made sure to turn it on and so that I can see it on my control center. And the thing with the 2 window, we're going to select that, and you should see the projector connected to your computer. It's on the same Wi-Fi. And go to patternprojector.com. This is an amazing and free website that allows you to calibrate your projector so that it correctly projects your sewing pattern. And then I'm going to be dragging the lines on the website to match up the lines on the cutting mat. After I do that, I'm just going to open my PDF pattern in an A0 format, and there you go. Now you have your sewing patterns projected onto your fabric, and you just cut along the size you need.